Hi everyone, welcome to the BGE Navigator tutorials series. Today we are covering the Session tab. This is your save and resume feature. If you've spent time carefully selecting cell time tracks and looked at them on the browser, you don't want to lose that work when you close the browser. The Session tab lets you save everything, load it back later, export it as a file, and even import session from colleagues. Let's walk through it. First, let's understand what a session actually contains. When you save a session in the BGE Navigator, it captures three things. Your taxonomy selection. Let's select all for the example. Your assay state. We can just select a few. Select a few for the example. Also, your current view region. Let's use this region as an example. Everything is stored in the browser's local storage, meaning it stays on your machine and in your browser only. No data is sent to any server. It's completely private. When you open the browser, when you open the Session tab, you can click Save Current Session, give it a name and an example and a description. And click on the Save Session button to save the session. Now, let's reset everything, then come back to the Session tab. And if we click on this button, the Load Session, it will restore everything you have selected so far. You can also export it as a JSON file and import it back, or you can share the session to your colleague and let them import it on their own computers. That's all about the Session tab. Next, we will cover the Dataset Overview tab. Thanks for watching.